लास्ट इयरूच न्हय युनेस्कोन एक रिपोर्ट काडला and it was about the state of the press and तांच्यांनी कितें म्हणटा the press is a public good. They have some economic concept of public good. See, it is a good which it is a item which is good, but it's also a public good. When you consume it, it doesn't get reduced. Any kind of theory
yes.
The point they were making is that the press is under pressure now from the new media. Okay.
Yes.
The advertising model has been totally disrupted. Two giants, Facebook and Google, are taking away 50% of the online advertising revenue, and lot of traditional print advertising has shifted there.
Exactly.
So the issue has to be seen in this context. Added to it, younger generation, they may be paying hefty fees for college or whatever. They expect returns in a hurry. Their generation and the 80s generation of ours is different. We grew up with different values.
Correct.
There we are. So it's quite complicated.